Most of us will be using WhatsApp. In this video, we will be telling about how to use WhatsApp in your computer and mobile phone at the same time. For this, first what we need to do is open your computer. After opening computer, open any browser. In browser, search for WhatsApp web. When you are searching for WhatsApp web, you can see a result like this, web.whatsapp.com. Click on this result, and when you click on that result, you can see a page like this. After this, what you need to do is open WhatsApp in your smartphone. In WhatsApp, above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. Here you can see linked devices. Click on linked devices. In linked devices, you can see one option, link a device. Click on link a device. When you are clicking on that, you will be asked to confirm your identity. Either you can use fingerprint sensor or you can use PIN. Now I am using fingerprint sensor. After confirming identity, a page will come like this. Here you can scan QR code. Now in your computer, you can see a QR code. You need to scan this QR code. I am scanning this QR code. While scanning, you can see logging in. Within few seconds, you can see your WhatsApp in your computer. Now you can see my WhatsApp in my computer. And here you can see Microsoft Edge Windows. If I am going to first page, you can see that WhatsApp here also. So in both devices, I can use WhatsApp at the same time. Sometimes some people may use this trick and use your WhatsApp in their laptop or in their smartphone. To find out whether anyone is using your WhatsApp, what you need to do is open WhatsApp application. After opening WhatsApp application, click on these 3 dots. Here you can see linked devices. Click on linked devices. Now down here under device status, you can see one device, Microsoft Edge. This device is my laptop. If you are seeing a device like this, that means someone else is using your WhatsApp. If you don't know about that device and that's not you, you need to unlink that device. To unlink, click on this device. When you are clicking on that, you can see one option logout. Click on logout. When you are clicking on logout, WhatsApp in other devices will be disconnected. Now in my computer, you can see WhatsApp is disconnected. So this way you can use your WhatsApp in mobile phone and computer at the same time. We have also told about unlinking. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.